Setting: hospital, accident and emergency department. Your patient has come to the emergency department because he thinks that he has a broken toe. It is a very busy weekend night and the patient has been waiting for some time. Now let's see the task. First one says, find out what happened to the patient's foot. Second one says, find out if he has any problems with mobility or pain. Third one says, explain that you do not know if it is broken, but the procedure is same for badly hurt and a broken toe. Dressing it and tape it to the next toe. Fourth one says, explain that the X-ray would mean a long wait and have no bearing on the treatment. The hospital is busy with emergencies tonight. Fifth one says, tell the patient that it usually takes almost 6 weeks to heal if cared properly. Sixth one says, provide information about caring for the toe. That is, ice packs every 20 minutes for the first few days. Elevate the foot above heart level in order to reduce pain and swelling. Then try to take sufficient rest. The last one says, reassure the patient that painkillers, ibuprofen and paracetamol usually work, but contact his GP if there is no improvement after 2 to 3 weeks. Let's begin the roleplay now. You can start like, hi, good morning. My name is Susan, one of the registered nurses in this emergency department. My sincere apologies for keeping you waiting so long. Unfortunately, the emergency department is extremely busy today due to the weekend. Hence, there was a delay in attending you. But don't worry, I'm here to assist you. May I know what is troubling you today? The interlocutor may respond by saying, okay nurse, I understand the situation. Unfortunately, I injured my foot this afternoon. That's why I'm here today. The respondent saying, I'm really sorry to hear that. I know it must be very painful for you, but don't be too stressed too much. This can be well managed with certain treatment modalities. Moreover, we are here to help you. May I know your name and age for documentation? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, I'm David and I'm 35 years old. Then respondent saying, okay Mr. David, may I know what happened exactly? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, yes, I was trying to climb a tree but fell down accidentally. Moreover, I have severe pain on my toe. Therefore, I really suspect that it is broken. Then respondent saying, okay Mr. David, I understand your concern. May I know if you have any problems with your mobility? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, yes nurse, I'm experiencing intense pain and I cannot walk properly. Then responding, okay Mr. David, can you please rate your pain on a pain scale in which 0 is the least pain and 10 is the worst pain? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, nurse, it's almost 7 to 8. Then respondent saying, I'm really sorry to hear that Mr. David. It must be really painful to cope up with the situation. Can I examine your toe in order to get a better understanding? Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then continue by saying, thank you Mr. David. Based on my examination, I see that your toe is badly injured. However, I cannot confirm that it is broken. But don't be overly concerned. We have same treatment procedures for a badly injured and broken toe. That is, it can be dressed properly and taped to the adjacent toe so that you will have a faster wound healing. I hope you're following me. Then interlocutor may ask you like, okay nurse, but why don't we go for an X-ray to confirm that it is broken? Then respondent saying, your thoughts are really sensible Mr. David. Yes, in order to confirm that it is broken, we need to go for an X-ray. But as I told you already, our X-ray department is also busy tonight. You need to wait here for a long time if you go for an X-ray. Nevertheless, an X-ray has no bearing on your treatment. As I have already mentioned that we have same treatment modalities for badly hurt and a broken toe. Okay, Mr. David, I hope you are clear now. Then interlocutor may tell you like, yes, nurse, that makes sense. But may I know how long it will take to heal the wound completely? Then respondent saying, okay, I acknowledge your concern, Mr. David. It may take approximately 6 weeks to heal completely if you care it properly. Apart from that, I would also like to suggest you a few more measures to get a faster improvement. Is it okay with you? Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then continue by saying, okay Mr. David, firstly, put an ice pack on your injured toe at least every 20 minutes for the first few days. Secondly, please elevate your foot above your heart level by placing some pillows to reduce pain and swelling. And finally, it is highly important to take sufficient rest to get a complete recovery. I hope you are following me, Mr. David. Then interlocutor may tell you like, okay nurse, as I told you initially, I have severe pain on my toe. So, can I get some painkillers to manage the pain? Then respondent saying, I can sense your worries, Mr. David. Please set your mind at ease. you'll be provided with some pain medications such as ibuprofen and paracetamol, so that you will definitely get a better relief from your pain. In addition to that, I would also like to let you know that if you do not see any improvement even after 2 to 3 weeks, you need to meet your GP for further management. Okay, Mr. David, do you have any other questions for me? Then interlocutor may tell you like known as, thank you very much for your help. Then you can respond to him saying, I'm really glad to hear that, Mr. David. Now let me summarize what we have discussed until now. We've been discussing about your injured toe and its further management. I hope you understand that. If you have any more questions or concern, you can get back to me at any time. I'll be glad to assist you. Once again, I assure you that if you follow all these instructions along with pain medications, you'll certainly get a better improvement. In case, if you do not see any improvement, even after a couple of weeks, you can meet your GP for further management. Thank you, Mr. David, for your patience and understanding. I wish you a speedy recovery. Thank you, guys. I roleplay and see you.